I've always dreamt of writing songs that someday I could hear a crowd full of people singing the words back to me. People can really connect to the lyrics and the song and the words that you're saying. The fact that that's actually happening is something that I don't think I'll ever be able to fully comprehend. It means so much to stand up on the stage and look out at the crowd. I really feel like the stars only truly align when we're all together. I just love this so much. It's just about making the most of every single moment.